Hi Stampers, it's Stampin, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little treat holder. On this side is a little pocket for a note card to go inside, and on this side is a little pocket for your treats to go inside. So let's get started making this cute treat holder. You're going to start by using a piece of Designer Series paper that is cut to 8 by 8, and this particular set is from the Summer Smooches paper pack that's available during the month of April as a sneak peek item. What we're going to do is start by folding this corner to corner, like so. And now we're going to need the scoring board. So let me get that in the picture here. And I'm kind of doing this on an angle so you can see the different measurements. You're going to take the edge of your paper that we just folded in half and line it up against the left-hand side. And we're going to score at the 7/8 inch mark. So I just line my little scoring tool up about right there. And you'll want to give it a good press because you're going through 2 layers of paper. You may need to even flip it over and score it again, like so. Now what we're going to do is flip it and put the edge up at the top, and we are going to score at 3 3/4 right here a couple times, and then again at 7 5/8 like so. I'm giving it a good press through there just to make sure it's going through all the layers. Now we can set that aside. And we're going to kind of open it up and begin to fold it on those score lines we just created. Fold like this. Fold top down. Now we're going to fold the sides in. And then you can decide which pattern you want where. Okay, about like that. I'm going to have that blue on the outside with the red inside. So I'm going to fold it like so. Now at this point we want to make that little fold. All I did was kind of go like this, flip it. There we go. Like that. So now we've got this little treat holder put together. You kind of have a mountain fold there in the middle, and you've got 2 pockets. So now what we're going to do is get the crocodile, and using the large hole punch on the crocodile, this side right here, I'm going to punch a hole through both of these. Let me line it up like so. And now we want to add the ribbon, and all I've got here is a little piece of red ribbon and a white organza ribbon. So I'm going to actually tuck this white one in. Since it's larger, I'm going to have it go in first. Oops. Try to get a little corner of that. There you go, just enough to pull in. And I cut these pieces to about 5 inches, and I think that's plenty long. Now we'll put the red one in, kind of the same way. Alright, let's see if I can get that red one to come through. There we go. Alright, so now to kind of hold everything together up at the top, instead of doing like a knot or something like that, I'm going to use some of the baker's twine, the white baker's twine. And I just need a small little piece, like so. And I'm going to gather it all together and tie a little double knot using this baker's twine. That ribbon wants to get in my way. Come on. There we go. Once we get that first knot made, that second knot should be easier. Alright, let's get that through. Yippee! Okay, so there's the first part done. Alright, so we've got the little treat holder done. Now let me show you the things that I used to stamp the card. Here's the little note card, and I'm going to take a piece of paper that's the Island Indigo, and it is cut to about 2 3/4 by 3 1/2, and this is cut to, the white piece we're going to stamp on is 2 1/2 by 3 1/4. All right, so what we're going to do for the flower, we are using the stamp set called Bright Blossoms, and it's also from the Sneak Peek Summer Smooches, available in April. So the first thing we're going to do is color in the leaves, and we're going to use the green, so we do the lightest color first, like so. Now I'm going to take my Island Indigo marker and do the bottom half. Okay, and we're going to stamp it right about here. Alright, so that got that part. Now we're going to do the little flower on top. I'm going to use Real Red. Ink him up. Stamp it right there, like so. Alright, and the last part we're going to do is add the thanks. And the thanks, this particular sentiment, comes from Kindness Matters. Very cute stamp set. And we're going to stamp it in Island Indigo. Right up here. Okay. Now all I'll need to do is add a little snail adhesive to the back. And once we add that snail adhesive on there like so, it's going to fit right inside. And you have got a cute little treat holder that stands up and is a great little gift for anybody. Thank you so much.